This is a look at the Ultra Lift L Pro scissor jack that I've purchased for my tractor, and this is one of the reasons for getting it. When you accidentally go down the stream, so I've managed to raise the wheels up out of the stream, put some wood underneath it, and now I can drive back out of the situation that I put myself in. So with the Ultra Lift L Pro that I bought from Amazon, it comes with a nice ratchet handle so that you can just ratchet the jack up. And it also comes with a nice little bag to keep it all in as well. So this is the first time of actual proper use for it, and it's got me out of a hole. So yes, I can recommend it. Thank you for watching and subscribing.